Hello and happy Labor Day weekend, friends. Today we'll be spending a little time in the garden. I'll be making a fresh peach cake and then an Aloo Tikki, which is a potato burger. Before I go outside, I'm now putting on a little bit of eucalyptus oil to spare me from mosquito bites. It's about 6 a.m. and it looks like rain is definitely coming in. So I must quickly do these garden chores and sit out for a bit and enjoy the quiet of this morning. The papaya herb and goldenrod I'll be using in skincare products, which I'll be making in the next 6 weeks or so. I'll now let the herbs sit out for a little bit so that the little critters can escape. I usually dry the herbs outside on a beautiful drying rack that was specifically made for me by a friend I farm with. However, the raindrops started as soon as I completed my cup of tea, so thought it best to bring them inside. I originally saw this recipe on Pinterest by sallysrecipes.com, but I decided to add something a little different, and that is nutmeg. While the potatoes are boiling, I'll now make cilantro chutney. I don't necessarily have a recipe for this chutney. However, I'll just walk you through what I normally use. So I start with olive oil and then I add red wine vinegar. Then I add chopped jalapenos, scallions or onions if you prefer, chopped garlic, and red pepper flake. Then add the juice of lime, salt to taste, process and add maple syrup, add more olive oil if needed. Optional is a bit of water as well. And that's it. We celebrated my granddaughter's second birthday last weekend, and I'm so thankful for the parents of my son-in-law who helped to make this a success. So thank you, R&S. Because of all the yummy food from that celebration, I decided to go a bit lighter in my menu choice for this Labor Day weekend. Aloo Tikki can be eaten as a breakfast side dish or a quick snack. Today I've decided to make it into a burger patty. As the potato burgers bake, I now make the purple basil mojito mocktail. Because I already used lime juice in the cilantro chutney, I opted not to use it in this mocktail. I found that the lime flavor in the sparkling water was sufficient. My friends, Jesus has told us, "Come to me, all who are weary and heavy laden, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light." Matthew 11:28-30. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing and remember to ring the bell so that you may be notified when I upload a new video. Either way, you are welcome here always. God bless.